Alright, so from any web browser, you're going to go to the Star Headlight Lantern web page, then navigate to the product page for the Phazer light bar. And then you're going to scroll to the Docs and Resources section, and then download the configurator. So then it's going to ask you to save or open your zip file. It's going to take a second to download. Just double click that file and your should open up and you can install it. Okay, so that's pretty quick. It's all should be installed now on your hard drive. Should be a shortcut on your desktop. So you're going to take the file that you got from Star or the one that you created yourself and put it someplace so you know where it is. Like I just did. Took it out of a zip file and put it into my desktop on a new folder. Then you're going to open up the configurator and browse for that folder that you just put your file in, like I'm doing here. So new folder 3, there's my file.mbt. Opened it up. That's the bar that I'm going to play with today. So I went to priority 1, and I'm going to just kind of play around here with the different options. Alright, so I turned off the outside heads now. I just got the inside heads running. Just some demo stuff, just to see what you can do. I'm going to change the pattern here. You have a bunch of patterns to choose from. You don't have to do it for all of them. I'm doing it for all of them. So I've got them all in a different pattern now. So I'm changing them all to single slow, and I'm turning off the white and just making it all amber. Those are the phases that were already on there, so you can change those phases. That's what I'm going to do next. Just kind of play around here with the what heads turn on with what other heads. That's referred to as the phase of the light, without changing the pattern. So I've changed the front here, so it should indicate when I do the preview. You got the center kind of alternating with the outside edges. Now I'll do the same with the rear here. You can use the control button to select multiple heads. You can drag, select multiple heads. You can do them individually. So there you go. I got the front and the rear doing the same thing now. That's saved automatically, so you're going to go back. I just clicked on priority 2, which is the different wire. So I'll change this a little bit. Just you can see different things you can do with the different wires. So those phases don't really make sense. I'll go and tweak that a little bit, but you can see that's only the whites enabled on this one. Make it so it alternates left to right here. There you go. So all these other wires on the left-hand side here you can drag over. Without the CAN module, you only have 12 wires, but you can take off wires that were already assigned. You can reassign them to have different functions. I just changed a wire function to cruise here. So, and then I'm going to enable those outer heads to be cruise. Now the steady burn functions like cruise and stuff don't have any preview because it wouldn't be anything to preview. It just shows you that they'd turn on with that function. The flashing functions have a preview, so you can see what the pattern would look like. Another steady burn pattern, the front. So, I guess I'm done with that now. I'm going to go back to the light editing so you can see the top there. I'm going to save this, all the changes I made. I always make sure you change the name when you save it, otherwise you're going to be overwriting what you've already done. So I just called it rev-trial. Saved it. Next, if you want to send it to your bar, you press the Launch Programmer button. Then the programming program will come up here. Should automatically populate with the file that we were editing just now. If it doesn't, then you can browse for it. Or if you want to browse to a different one, you can always browse to that. Right now I don't have it connected to a bar, so it's going to give me an error when I try to program it because there's no bar connected. It says disconnected in the bottom corner there. But for your sake, when you get it connected to a bar, it'll say success or failure depending on if there was an issue, but it should say success.